Our lesson for today is about cell. Okay, so the cell is the basic unit of life, which means that the smallest part in our body is called the cell. Okay, so when cells group together, they form tissue. When tissues group together, an organ is formed. When organs are grouped together, they form a system, and when all the systems are complete, then an organism is formed. Okay, so an example of cell is an animal cell, and then if tissue, like the cardiac muscle tissue, an example of organ is the heart, and the heart belongs to the system of transport or circulatory system. And then organism is an example is a human being. Okay, so these are the different parts of a cell. Okay, so the first part is a cell wall. Okay, so the function of the cell wall, it gives shape to the cell and it prevents it from being damaged. And the cell wall is fully permeable, meaning it allows all substances to go in or go out of the cell. And the cell wall is found in plants only. Another part of the cell is the cell membrane. The cell membrane controls the entry or passage of substances into and out of the cell. And it is partially permeable. When you say partially permeable, it allows only some substances to pass through the cell. Okay, so only those made up of small molecules like water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide can pass through the cell membrane because it is partially or semi-permeable. And the cell membrane is found in both animals and plants. Okay, the next part is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm breaks down food in the cell to release energy, and it could be found in both animal and plant cells. Next, we have the nucleus. The nucleus controls the activities of the cell, and it could be found in animals and plants. And the nucleus contains the chromosomes, which contains the DNA, which carries the characteristic from parents. Okay, the vacuole contains cell sap, and for plants, the vacuole is large and it is located at the center. And it's only one, while in animal cells, the vacuole are tiny and several. Okay, another part is the chloroplast. The chloroplast absorbs light energy from the sun for photosynthesis or for food making, and it could be found in plants only. And it contains the green coloring substance called the chlorophyll.